Hey there guys, Red the EAS creator, and today we're doing a reaction video to SPC Hermitage, the Raptors. Okay. Happy 4th of July everyone. At least I knew we would start off with that. I hope you all enjoyed this mini scenario special. So the date, July 4th, 2021, 10 p.m. Oh, here goes the weather radios. Here they go. Oh my god. Here we go.
This is an emergency action.
National emergency!
All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS operating handbook for
When I first saw this today, oh my god, he did good. But I just wonder, when is the Ultimate Serial Killer Remastered coming out? I just wonder.
Please stand by.
Okay.
We interrupt our regular programming. This is a national emergency.
Thought it was gonna be global in this one, but no. Here we go with the insurance sirens.
Emergency action notification.
Oh. Sorry if I'm shivering a little bit. I just ate ice cream.
Emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming of the
Oh my god.
in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas.
Oh, and guys, update.
UJLA.
I had to cancel my 4th of July special scenario due to me going somewhere, so I'm sorry guys, but let's continue with this reaction.
Emergency alert system serving the Washington, D.C. area.
Washington, D.C. Oh god,
Reminder should be
that's where the president is.
use. The emergency alert system has been activated. We interrupt our regular program.
We interrupt the regular programming, indeed.
This is the emergency
Yeah, this is a crisis. Oh.
programming has been discontinued during this emergency.
Yeah, people turned in the
Will continue for
like bald eagle-like creatures. Oh my god, that would be actually a disaster. No joke, it would.
area. You should tune into stations providing news and information for your area. It is important that you listen carefully
I
to
love this siren though.
information in your local area.
I first heard it in Night of the Vampires Remastered. Night of the Vampires actually. Not Night of the Vampires Remastered is what I'm doing.
Transmitted at the request of the United States government.
I'm doing Night of the Vampires Remastered.
I repeat, this
Night
is
of the Vampires actually, come on now, my voice.
close attention to this message, as this pertains to information regarding a national crisis that is currently ongoing. At approximately 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, there have been several reports of people turning into
It's 10 p.m. where Mason lives.
the U.S. states, including Alaska and Hawaii. These creatures are brutally attacking and killing anyone that they see.
I knew it.
These creatures
They would kill.
are to be
I knew it.
similar to
I knew it. I
predators
knew
in the
it.
wild, but of larger talons, razor-sharp
Wow, stronger than the original bald eagle.
which are very
Jesus.
They attack their victims by swooping down from the air and
Oh, that's pretty gruesome.
pierce them through the heart, killing them instantly.
Jesus Christ, that is gruesome.
Situation is happening, but it is possible that an unknown disease may be responsible for turning people into these creatures.
Yeah, it could be.
Extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation, and should be taken seriously.
Knew it.
Victims that are killed have also turned into these creatures as well.
Oh, no.
States are
Just like how the zombie attacks and the vampire attacks.
Turn off all lights and cover cracks on doors and windows with damp towels. Bring an adequate set of supplies for your shelter, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a first aid kit, a fully charged cell phone chargers, toiletries, and a battery-powered
Oi!
with extra batteries to last you.
Here it goes with the reverse.
This emergency. Do not approach these creatures as they are considered extremely dangerous. They will attack and kill anyone on sight. If one of these creatures manage to enter your home, use armed protection. This
Wow.
includes lethal force. Tens of thousands of people
That's massive.
expected within the next few hours.
Massive kill count.
Stay tuned to local media
Jesus
outlets for more information
Christ,
on this
man.
dangerous situation.
What? People turning into mutant eagles? This is scary. The next morning, emergency action notification. We're all clear. Yes, sir. Emergency action termination. Emergency action termination.
The following message
Ooh,
is
my arm's starting to get a bit tired.
United States government.
It's okay.
This is an emergency action termination. All clear. The deadly eagle-like
It's so
creatures
clear
have been
indeed.
around the United States
Oh.
attacking and people have disappeared into thin air, and all residents may exit their shelters at this time. However, there is massive damage to the United States. The National Guard is unavailable to rescue people from damaged shelters. If your shelter was damaged or destroyed, call 911 and head to the nearest military base. It has been confirmed that there was in fact a disease responsible for turning people into
Ooh,
these creatures.
I knew it.
Like the creatures, the infection mysteriously disappeared. All
Wow.
broadcast and cable systems aren't allowed
Even
to
without a
receive
vaccine.
programming. Emergency
Wow.
broadcasts will now be
Knew
handed
it.
over to state and local officials.
Thought there was gonna be like a vaccine in this one,
Concludes all
like where they all get
operations
vaccinated so they won't turn into them. But no.
Programming may now resume. Your government thanks you for your cooperation.
Just imagine if it escaped from the CDC headquarters, man. That would just be insane. Thanks for watching. Happy 4th of July. Oh God. Oh, that was good, man. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Well, see ya!